Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineAutosports.com and RedlineMuscleCars.com. This is our 68 Mustang Fastback in beautiful blue, Acapulco blue. It's a 351 Windsor, automatic, power steering, power disc brakes, aluminum heads, aluminum intake, March serpentine pulley system, ice cold vintage AC, Recaro bucket seats, black and white interior. It's a killer little car. Nicely detailed inside and out. .351, completely rebuilt. Brand new MSD ignition, new March pulley system. Everything is new, completely redone. All new disc brakes. Car runs and drives excellent. Starts easy. And man, look at the paint. It's gorgeous. Car's ready for the car show or the cruise. It's got brand new radial TA via pin wrenches, new style steel wheels, new black bucket seats, black and white upholstery, automatic console shift, C4 automatic transmission. Bad to the bone. Listen to that exhaust. Killer car. Check us out at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. And remember, save some money if you come to the country. Wilson, Oklahoma at RedlineMuscleCars.com.